House, Megha Monani, Ayushi Rodia and Farzana Memon welcome you to this insightful symposium on the basics and various personality portraits of Materia Medica organized by Department of Materia Medica, Rajkot Homeopathic Medical College. I would like to warmly welcome our Honorable Principal Sir Dr. Hitat Mehta Sir, Academic Administrator Rashmi Kubani Ma'am, our Campus Director Dr. Vibhu Prasad Panda Sir, Academic In Charge Dr. Nitesh Jani Sir, Co-Curricular In Charge Dr. Amar Thakkar Sir, HOD of Department of Homeopathic Materia Medica Dr. Rajesh Sanja Sir, Faculties of Department of Materia Medica Dr. Mili Lalsata Ma'am, Dr. Swati Solanki Ma'am and Dr. Rakshit Kumar Ramawat Sir, and all the esteemed faculties, judges as well as my fellow classmates. Today's symposium is not just an opportunity to exchange ideas but also to broaden our knowledge about Materia Medica. I once again sincerely welcome you all. Thank you.
Professor Sanjay sir, Professor Bhavna madam, Mini madam, Rakesh sir, all my dear students. Symposium, this is the first symposium of your class. Symposium is nothing but a mini conference. So in a particular subject, some students they have prepared, they present their preparation, and others they listen and they learn something new.
Now we would like to invite the most enthusiastic Dr. Rakshit Kumar Ramawat to give an energetic start to today's symposium by his inspiring remarks.
Next, we are gathered over here to arrange the basic and various personality portraits of homeopathic Materia Medica. બધા સ્ટુડન્ટે સારી એવી પ્રેક્ટિસ કરી છે બરાબર. મટીરિયા મેડિકા ડિપાર્ટમેન્ટ હંમેશા કંઈક દર વખતે કંઈક યુનિક અને કંઈક નવું એનર્જેટિક કરવા માટે જાણીતું છે. અંડર અવર ગાઈડન્સ ઓફ અવર HOD ડૉક્ટર રાજેશ સાંજા સર અને મારા સજેશન અકોર્ડિંગ this was the 7th symposium and I am running and એક મહિનાની અંદર આ સિમ્પોઝિયમની હેટ્રિક છે બરાબર. બેક ટુ બેક એવરી થર્સડે this was the 3rd symposium. So I want to congratulate first Materia Medica department and the students of first year કે જેને કોન્ફિડન્સ બતાવ્યો બરાબર. ઇન્સ્પેક્શન છે તો શું ઇન્સ્પેક્ટર વાળાને ખબર પડે કે આપણા કોલેજમાં કેટલા સારા સ્ટુડન્ટ.
My name is Malwani Chris. Today I represent the different courses of homeopathic Materia Medica. Here is the 9 types of courses. Moving on healthy human being. Second one is moving on healthy animals. Third one is moving on plants. Fourth one is accidental source. Fifth one is chemical source. Fifth one is the medical examination. Seventh is the doctor and signature. Number 8, physical source. And our last and ninth is the toxicological source. Now we discuss each source in detail. Number 1, moving on healthy human being. This is our most important source. It involves in administering a drug to healthy human beings and correct the symptoms they produce. Number 2, living on healthy animals. Before testing on humans, drugs are tested on animals to see their physiological and pathological changes. But it is important to notice that by doing on animals, we mostly get the objective symptoms, not the subjective. Number 3, doing on plants. Here we get the knowledge of medicine by studying our drug effect.
Every science and theory has its own scopes and limitations. So let us know what are wonderful scopes as well as limitations of homeopathic Materia Medica. Let us call upon Savan to
when the unique mental, physical, emotional symptoms of the patient with the characteristic pictures of the remedy. So as we all know, Materia Medica has a vast number of symptoms and a vast number of remedies. So mental symptoms, physical symptoms, and emotional symptoms, all are differently written. And it helps us to find the individualization and find the minimum of medicine for the patient.
Constitution has a basically which has a physical and mental makeup of every human being. Further, we are going upon definition. Constitution resembles of characters of the individual couple from the very beginning of the life.
Arithmetic, repeat, word line round, skin is wet, pale, shiny, and sensitive to touch. That Varanaka is a deep-acting constitutional homeopathic remedy which is especially useful in the desired development, glandular affection, and premature fertility. So, what is the common name of Varanaka is carbonate of barium. The source of Varanaka is derived from barium carbonate and
as well as muscular spasms, twitchings. It produces contradiction. So it is the pathogenesis is the hysteria of the remedy.
Constitutional remedy. They are chili patients. They are both and chili, but mainly chili patients because they want to close their patient wants to close all the doors, all the windows and cover up their body, And personality, they are workaholic. They are workaholic and business-minded persons.
Can but use no relief. Then dissatisfied, abnormal consciousness, and capricious. Capricious means we can say unpredictable or changeable. Here I will give an example. Assume a child who demanding something. And if you give that.
So the netrocute personalities are extremely irritable personalities. They cry on the slightest cause, and we can say that they are extremely emotional kinds of personalities. Then the consolations aggravates their state of mind, and or else we can say that the consolation aggravates every complaint of the netrocute patients. Then the lacrimal disposition.
So, while translating from Pulan's Materia Medica, he came across the fact that Sympona has the ability to produce malaria-like symptoms in a healthy woman. Hence, his inquisitive mind questioned that it should also cure the patient with the same symptoms. So, to confirm it, he himself took a small quantity of the juice expressed from Sympona and took it, and to his great surprise, he was diagnosed with the malaria-like symptoms. So he also
And careless appearance, even though they are not seriously ill. The standing is the most uncomfortable position for the sulfur and they become exhausted after a long standing. The temperament of the sulfur is nervous and they are mostly active, belong to the official diathesis and the predominant diathesis soda. The thermal state of the patient is cold. They cannot tolerate heat for a long time, so they prefer cold environment and open air. Let's focus on the elements from the complaint
belongs to the family of AC and its source is vegetable kingdom and the part we don't have seeds. And it was proved by Dr. Malakouchi. It's the constitution. It is well suited to call needs symptomatic people that infection. Its temperaments are nervous, sanguine and choleric. The clinical state is chill and the analysis are solar, psychosis and symptoms. Its thorough actions are mind, skin, heart, renal, genital system, gastrointestinal.
The common name is yellow trastling. The family is locate healthy. Source is plant based. The brewer is always the Dr. Henneman. And the medicine is prepared from the fresh plant. Let's see about the guiding symptoms. So Thalessemia is said to be the king of polio and it is a great paralyzing remedy. There are three main keys of thalassemia, that is dullness, dizziness, drowsiness.
From seed, talking about the upper part of the body, from toxic to the level of the membrane, making the cervical vertebra, moving that, and like making the cervical ideas આપી તો everybody has a good confidence. Back to back સિમ્પોઝિયમ થયા છે, થર્ડ યર ગયું છે, સેકન્ડ યર ગયું છે, ફર્સ્ટ યર. એક સિંગલ 3 સિમ્પોઝિયમ આપણે એક લાઈન પર કીધું છે સિંગલમાં કે બધું ડિપેન્ડ્સ ઓન ધ ડિજિટલાઇઝેશન. આગલા બીમાં કીધું છે, આજે ફરી વાર કહીએ કે ડિજિટલ ઇઝ ઓલવેઝ એરર. ઇલેક્ટ્રિસિટીની ફ્લક્ચ્યુએશનથી માંડી અને ડિજિટલ છે એ કાયમ એરર આવવાની. You present on the PPT, it's a good idea, but you have to some paper, you have to some in your mobile, so it become very less interpretations. Interpretations પણ આ ઓછા થાય વસ્તુમાંથી એની કોઈ ક્લિયર વસ્તુ. Everybody is in a good head confidence, everybody is in a good content, but in spite of every floating, the first remarks, just remarks, अब कंटिन्यू करता पहला remarks आती. Anchor is a position, anchor is
सीखने के लाखों सलीके नए, देखना तू देख जरा, नाकामियों से भी रूठते नहीं हम, वो तारे जो कभी टूटते नहीं. अब भी हो थोड़ा
अभी कई सारी जीत बाकी है, अभी कई सारी हार बाकी है, अभी कई सारी जीत बाकी है, अभी कई सारी हार बाकी है, अभी भी जीवन का पूरा साथ बाकी है. नए अध्याय की ओर बढ़ चुके हैं. ये होम्योपैथी का फर्स्ट ईयर तो सिर्फ एक पन्ना था, अभी होम्योपैथी की पूरी किताब बाकी है.
Now it's time for remedy of 3 D's. That is dullness, dizziness and drowsiness.
I think હવે ઓડિયન્સે પણ ગેસ કરી જ લીધું હશે that it is time for જલસેમી.
Correct. Now
So I think મેટ્રોમ્યુરમાં આ symptoms આવે છે.
Ayushi, now it is time for a remedy of 3 double B's. That is breath, woman and microphone.
Oh, so it's time for next one.
ફરઝાના ચાલ ને હવે આ ક્વિઝ એન્ડ ફેક્ટ્સ બહુ થયા. હવે હું તને એક પિક્ચર બતાવીશ. એ ચાઇલ્ડનું ફિઝિકલ મેકઅપ જોઈને તું મને કહે કે કયું ચાઇલ્ડ હોઈ શકે. કરેક્ટ. સો ઇટ્સ ટાઈમ ફોર સલ્ફર.